Hello, welcome back, all of you. This is Tech Guy here. So let's continue the Python series. So our today topic is for loop in Python, like how we should use for loop and when we will use and all. So for loop we can use in many way. First of all, I we just want to know like when we have the sequence kind of data, sequence data. Like we have like if I have the lists, then we have tuples, then we have here sets, then we have sets, then we have dictionary also dicts, then we have strings. This kind of data we have. That time we will go for. Then we will go for. We can use the in I mean in the for loop we can use to iterate data. Now we will do one thing. Consider we will take one list L1, then list how to represent a list. Square bracket. Then I'll take some item 10, 20, comma Python. Okay, this is my list. This list has three components. What I can do, if I'll ask you, can you please give me the value of 10? How I'll do? There is two way. First of all, what I will do, I'll write like L1, and I will write this, and I will write my index. Index we know like index like 0, 1, this 2. So index start with 0. I'll put 0 here. I'll write like this. I got, sorry, one sec. I need to execute this one. I should execute this one. Now I'll get got a 10 here. Done. Now if I want a L1, then I need a 2. What happens? Say go to here Python like this, you go to the value. But now if I need a value one by one, see here I have three value in. I have in a company, we are working in the company and we have like 10,000 data, 1 lakh data. Then how we will fetch the data? So for that time we'll go for loop. What I will do for one more thing I would like to say, in the Python, in the other languages we have like in C, C++, Java, we are having for loop, but in Python we have for each loop. So how it will work? First I will write the loop, then I will explain more. So for each x in L1, L1 of x. So here, see, this L1 is our list. This is the list L1. Okay. Now in L1, as I said you for each. So for each in the sense this is a variable name. Same variable will name pass here. So from the list, from the list we will take each variable and will print it. So how it will work? Need to select and we need to enter from the keyboard. See, we got a 10, 20 and Python. If I have the n number of data, we will get easily. In if we have data in a, if we have data in tuple also we will get. If we have data in the sets also will get. If you have data in the dictionary also will get. Okay, so now I'll take the example for string. For example, if I have data in the string, like we have like Python coding. This is my string. Okay, now what I will do here, again I will apply like for each item string 1, then I will write print of x. One more thing I would like to say, in the place of x anything you can write. Okay, next is I'll show you that one also. Okay, first I'll execute this line. It's done. Now I will execute these two lines. See, we have got like this. Okay, so I here you are not able to see properly actually. What I will do here, I'll show you one more thing. Now we will take, okay, now I'll do one thing. I'll write like for each item. In the place of x we can write anything like a b c d x y z. I'll write like this same item for each item in for each item in r1. And I'll write here like print of item. But now what happened here, you are getting the value in the this this vertical manner. We're not able to see, but I want a value in a sequence like in line only. So what I will do, we have here end is a diameter, and I will press a star. So now I will select those lines. Well, I got the value like this. Python coding studio. See here, I have given the space. If I want to give the space, nothing it will not print. But now if I want to print with any letter, special letters like head, star, whatever you want to separate with, so you can go and select like this. So I have given like this. In the place of space, you can put anything. One more thing I would like to show you. Here, one more thing you can do. Okay, like this. Okay, example, I have for each item in directly we can take a list also. I have like example 10, then I have like this Python, then I have 20.5. Directly I'm taking the list here. This one now I'll print that. Actually, directly also you can put. So yeah, same thing. See, I'm out to do it. What it will do first, see here. First it will take each x means it will take first this 10, then it will print 10 here, then it will take this Python, okay, this string, then it will print here, then again it will take this 20.5, then it will print here. Okay, like this it will work. Okay, and the next we have here, even though, okay, okay, one, okay, and we will take some examples also. Okay, we can, here we have yeah, range method also we can use the range method also. We know already, we have studied range. Okay, so in this, what we'll do for each item in range, like if I'm giving 10 here, see, I would like to show you one thing. If as soon as I write a range here, can you able to see this one range stop in like this value, right? Now I'll show. Now we will be able to show. See, as soon as I write range, right? See here, you can able to see here now range stop int. Okay, so I need to give int value, then stop range I need to give. So if I'll give the 10 here, then I'll print here x. Now what happens? First we will see here. See, we are getting the value from 0 to 9. Okay, but now if I, in case if I need a value, I don't need a value from 0, I need a value from 20. So we can give for each item in range of 20 comma 25. I just need a value for my 20 value, should be start with 20 then ends with 25. So x, now see, my value should be start with 20, ends with 25, but 25 will not be included. If you want 25, you should write here 26. Otherwise, it will not print the 25. It will just print the 20 to 24, like this. Like this will go, and like this we can go. And one more thing we have here, we have steps also. Each item in range of, then 20 comma 30 comma. See here, if I will not give a space, if I mean if I'll give one means, if I'll give one also same output. Okay, that also I will show you, so you'll understand better. Okay, one sec. Print of x. See here, if I given the one range, if I given steps one means same output. If I'll not give the range, then also we'll be having the same output. So range is a default the range I'm sorry, default step is one only, but I want at least one or two steps. So here default is one. If I'll give two, then we will able to see the difference between this one. So now how I'll get output, it will start from the 20, then it will leave the 21, then it will take 22, then it will work like this. See here, first start with 20, then it will not take second one 21, it will leave like that only, then 22, then 23, then 20, like this it will take. Then it will 28, then 29, 30. We know already we not included, like this it will work. This function also. And here we will take some examples like loop also. Example, we just want to print like even and odd numbers, even and odd numbers. Then what we will do here? So here we know in even on so we will give range. I just need a numbers from 0 to 10. Even and odd number start with, okay, 0 to 10. In this range we need to, in interview maybe they can ask you from anywhere, like within the 100 also range. So here I will give range function. I will use for each item in range of array 10. Now I'll write a condition for the even number. We know like if I'll put a bracket, I'll write here like print x, then modulus 2 divided by 2 equal to 0. If it is this condition satisfied, if my this x value, this, that means I will take a value from this range. I will take one value, then I'll put here, then I'll take the condition here. If two, like if I'll take, first of all I'll take here like 0 0 divided by 2, like this it will take the conditions. If it is equal, then we need to print, or else it will not print. Okay, so here I will return this condition, then I will check here. See, I got a value, even numbers like 2 0, I'm sorry, 0 2 4 6 8, like this I got. If I need a this value or number, then what I will do, same condition I will need to write little bit, there will be change, slight change only. I'll write here if, and here bracket is optionally. If you will not give also this bracket, no problem, but I'm giving for the code will look pretty, you will understand betterly. So that's why x, then modulus 2 is not equal to, here we are going equal to, here I will be not equal to 0, then we need to print, okay, that number x. So here select and press. So here see, you can see here 1 3 5 7, these are the four numbers. Even though we have lots of steps, even though we can write here for loop inside one more for loop, like means I can nested for loop, but in this class will not be going to discuss because we'll be taking another sessions for that one. Even though we have pattern programming, the pattern programs I will explain you in a better way. So you'll be having, and will you will get more clarification on that for loops, how to use and all. It's very pretty, it's very pretty, it's a wonderful concept in Python. If you have like lakhs of data, you can apply this for loop and you can fetch the data, you can, and you can apply some conditions, you work on the conditions. So like this you can, it's a wonderful concept in Python, very powerful concept also. Okay, this much on today's session. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.